Welcome to Microsoft SQL Server Joins tutorial for beginners. SQL Joins are very important concept in Relational Database Management Systems or DBMS. In this video, different types of joins are explained with examples. Different types of joins are supported in Microsoft SQL Server. These are cross join, inner join, outer join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. SQL Join is a binary operation. It means it operates on two tables or relations. All types of joins are based on Cartesian product in relational algebra. It is also known as cross join in SQL. Columns of both the participating tables are combined in the output relation. So the output table contains all the columns of both the tables. It means if one table has 10 columns and the other table has 5 columns, then there will be 15 columns in the output relation. However, in SQL, you can choose the names of columns to be included in the output. Total number of rows in the output is equal to the number of rows in the first table multiplied by the number of rows in the second table. So if there are 100 rows in the first table and 10 rows in the second table, total number of rows in the output will be 1000. Here is the syntax for cross-join SQL class. Write names of columns of both the tables separated by commas in the select class. Then in the from class, write name of the first table. Then in the cross-join class, write the name of the second table. Let us see an example. SQL statement for cross-join. This cross-join is between customer and employee table. Names of the customer table columns and employee table columns are written in the select class. Name of customer table is written in the from class, and name of the employee table is written in the cross-join class. Let us have a look at the output relation here. It picks each row from second table, which is employee table, and then combines it with all rows of the customer table to produce the output. Let us see how cross-join works. First row from customer and first row from employee is joined. This makes the first row in the output table. Then second row from customer and first row from employee table produces the second row in the output. Then first row from customer and second row from employee is joined to produce the third row in the output. Then second row from customer and second row of employee is joined to produce the fourth row in the output. Cross-join is rarely used in real-life scenarios. It is known as costly operation because it produces huge number of rows. If each of the table involved in the operation contains 1000 rows, then the output will contain 1 million rows. The second problem is most of the rows in the output are misleading or misinformation. These are not useful. Let us examine the output. Let us look at the first row in the output. It says employee Sadiq is assigned to customer Peter. This is wrong. Customer Peter is not assigned any employee ID in the customer table. Similarly, row 3 and 4 are also wrong. Only second row in the output is correct. It says employee Sadiq is assigned to customer John, and that is correct. We can confirm it from the customer table. Please note, there are two employee ID columns in the output relation. One is from the customer table and the other is from employee table. And the correct rows contain same values in both of these columns, whereas the wrong rows contain different values in both of these columns. To remove the misleading rows, I have added a condition using where clause in select statement. And now there is only one row produced in the output which satisfies the join condition. And there are no misleading rows in the output. But we do not write join conditions in where clause these days. It is bad and old practice. We have other types of joins which are derived from the cross join and allow us to write join conditions. What is inner join? Inner join is essentially a cross join with the join condition, and it produces output which matches the join condition. Let us see inner join syntax. In the select class, comma-separated names of columns are written. In the from class, name of first table is written. In the inner join class, name of second table is written. And then join condition is written in the on class. Please note, join conditions are not written in the where class. This is an important thing to remember. Here is the example of inner join between customer and employee table. Please note, name of employee table is written in the inner join class, and then join condition is written using on class. The output has only one row which satisfies the join condition. There are no misleading rows in the output like we experienced with cross join. What is outer join? Outer join includes matching rows from both of the tables. In addition, it includes non-matching rows which do not satisfy the join condition. But there is no misleading or incorrect information. Left outer join includes non-matching rows from the first table. First table is known as left table. Right outer join includes non-matching rows from the second table. Second table is known as right table. Full outer join includes non-matching rows from both of the tables. Here is SQL for left outer join. Please note, names of customer table is written in the from class, whereas name of employee table is mentioned in the left outer join class, and condition is mentioned in the on class. The output contains all rows from customer and only related rows from employee table. First row is the non-related row, and all employee fields are shown as null because no employee ID is assigned to this customer. Second row matches the join condition, and there is no misleading information in the output. Here is SQL for right outer join. Please note, name of customer table is written in the from class, whereas name of the employee table is mentioned in the right outer join class, and condition is mentioned in the on class. The output contains related or matching rows from the customer table and all rows from the employee table. First row is related row and it satisfies the condition. Second row is non-matching or non-related row from the employee table. For this row, columns related to customer are shown as null, and there is no misleading information in the output. Here is SQL for full outer join. Please note, name of customer table is written in the from class, whereas name of employee table is mentioned in the full outer join class, and condition is mentioned in the on class. The output contains related and non-related rows from both of the tables. First row is non-matching row from customer table. Employee fields for this row are shown as null. Second row satisfies the join condition. And third row is non-related row from employee table. Customer columns for this row are shown as null. We have learned about SQL Server joins or SQL joins in this video. There are different types of joins in SQL. These are cross join, inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video.